Talaq, triple talaq. What are different type of talaq? Explain. Introduction. Among almost almost all the nation of antiquity, divorce was regarded as a natural corollary or material right. Material right full stop. The provision of divorce were recognized in all religion. Islam is perhaps Islam is perhaps the first religion in the world which has expressly recognized the termination of marriage. Expressly recognized the termination of marriage by way of divorce. Full stop. In England, in England, it was introduced 100 year back. 100 year back. Full stop. In India, it was allowed only by Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Hindu Marriage Act 1955 amongst the Hindu community. Full stop. Before passing this act, divorce was not recognized by Hindu law. By passing this act, divorce was not recognized by Hindu law. Hindu law. Full stop. Before Samim समीम एरा वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी 2002 2000 समीम एरा वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी केस ए Muslim husband had unlimited power of effecting talaq without assigning any reason, full stop. But in Samim era case, the Supreme Court held that the talaq must be for reasonable cause, and proceeded there must be preceded by an attempt of reconciliation between her husband and the wife by two arbitrator, wife one chosen by the wife and other by the husband, full stop. Different form and mode of divorce under Muslim law. Difference form and mode of divorce under Muslim law. 1. Capacity to pronouncing talaq. Capacity for pronouncing talaq. The only essential condition for pronouncing talaq by a Muslim husband. Talaq by a Muslim husband is that he attained must have attained the age of puberty and must be of sound mind at that time. Must be at sound mind at that time. Full stop. In view of the ox- in view of the position. In view of the position हो गया. In view of the position, Muslim law, it cannot be said that talaq names talaq name was not sufficient to dissolve the material relation. Full stop. Refer case Abdul Wajid versus Raza. Abdul Wajid versus Raza 2007 case. In another case of Mohammed Sadiq Ali versus Must Fatima Rashid 2007. It was held by the court that mere pronouncement of talaq orally or in writing is not sufficient to terminate the marriage. Full stop. The factum of the talaq should be proved. The factum of the talaq should be proved by the independent witness. The factum of the talaq should be proved by the independent witness. By the independent witness. Full stop. Talaq ul sunnat. Talaq ul sunnat. Talaq ul sunnat. This form of talaq is revocable. Hence it is regarded as approved form of the talaq. Full stop. This form of talaq was approved by the Prophet. Both Shia and Sunni school recognize this form. Full stop. It has two parts. Talaq Hasan. Talaq Hasan. Talaq Hasan. This consists of a single pronouncement of divorce made during a tuhur. During a tuhur, 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 followed by abstain from sexual intercourse for the period of the iddat. Full stop. The main requirement of a talaq hasan are main requirement of a talaq hasan are: a formula of talaq must be pronounced only once by husband, only once by husbands, only once by the husband. B, if the marriage has been consummated. If the marriage has been consummated, the pronouncement must be made during the period of her purity or tuhur. Full stop. After such pronouncement, the husband should abstain from sexual intercourse during the period of purity and iddat. See, when the wife is not subject to menstruation. When the wife is not subject to menstruation, the pronouncement may be made even after sexual intercourse. Full stop. The above form of the divorce is regarded as the best form because there is a change of reconciliation, change of reconciliation, change of reconciliation between the party, Second है तलाक हसन. This consists of the three pronouncement. When the wife is not subject to menstruation, the pronouncement may be made even after sexual intercourse. Full stop. The above form of the divorce is regarded as the best form because there is a change of reconciliation between the party. Full stop. Second, talaq hasan. This consists of the three pronouncement made during excessive tuhur, the period of the purity, no intercourse taking place during any of these three tuhur. Any of these three tuhur. First, the chief requirement of talaq hasan are. The chief requirement of talaq hasan are. Talaq hasan. This consists of the three pronouncement made during excessive tuhur. excessive tuhar, the period of purity, no intercourse taking place during any of these three tuhar. Any of these three tuhar, full stop, the chief requirement of the talaq hasan are. Chief requirement of the talaq hasan are. Chief requirement of the talaq hasan are. 1. There must be 3 excessive pronouncement of the formula of the divorce. Second, in the case of a menstruating wife, the first pronouncement should be made during a period of tuhar or purity the second during the next tuhar, and third during the exceeding tuhar. Third, during the exceeding tuhar, full stop. In the case of a menstruating wife. In the case of menstruating wife, the pronounce, pronouncement should be made during the excessive feast day. During the excessive feast day. 4. No sexual intercourse should take place during these three period of the tour. During these three period of the tour, this is also proper form of the talaq. This is also proper form of the talaq, but less proper than talaq hasan. Less proper than talaq hasan. This talaq is revocable. This talaq is revocable because this talaq is revocable before the third pronouncement, but become irrevocable immediately. Irrevocable immediately after the third pronouncement. After the third pronouncement, full stop. To talaq ul biddat. Talaq ul biddat या talaq I biddat. Talaq I biddat. Talaq ul biddat or talaq I biddat. It is sinful form of divorce recognized only under Sunni law. Full stop. It is the irregular mode of the talaq introduced by Umayyad in order to escape the strictness of law. Full stop. It consists of the following two mode. 1. 3 pronouncement made during single tuhar, either in one sentence. Example: I divorce thee. I divorce thee. I divorce thee. I divorce thee. Lee. Single pronouncement made during a tuhar. During a tuhar clearly indicate in intention irrevocable to dissolve the marriage. Example: divorce the irrevocable. Talaq ul biddat form is recognized only in Sunni law and not in Shia law. When they become irrevocable. Talaq ul sunnat. Talaq hasan. It become irrevocable on the expire of the period of iddat. Talaq hasan. It become irrevocable on the third pronouncement, irrespective of iddat. Third, talaq ul biddat. It became irrevocable immediately when it is pronounced irrespective of iddat. Question 2. What are different form and mode of divorce under Muslim law? Among almost all the nations of antiquity, divorce was regarded as a natural corollary or material right हो गया और